Hello, dears. Today we'll be discussing the fascinating world of drama and we'll explore the intricate components that make a play truly captivating. So, we'll be focusing on the key elements that playwrights use to craft engaging stories. So, we'll move on to the first one. Our main focus is on the components of the drama, keep in mind. And these are the main characteristics or the main components of a play, or while we write a drama, these are the main components. The first one is the plot. The plot is the backbone of any drama, and it typically follows a three-act structure. That is, an introduction will be there, a rising action, climax, falling action, and finally a resolution. So these are the main parts of the structure of the plot. And then uh, this there will be a conflict that is the central to the plot. There will be a conflict which involves struggles between characters, ideas, or external forces, and these events are connected, each leading to the next in a cause and effect chain. So there will be a cause to each of the action that takes place in the plot. So this is the backbone of the drama, and in a drama, this is the most important part of the drama. It's a plot. And coming to the next one, it is characters. We have characters, and these are the individuals who bring the story to life. We know when we watch a drama, when we watch a theatrical performance, without the characters, how much effective it is. It is questionable. So, characters are another important part of a drama, and there will be a protagonist and an antagonist, and we have to understand, or the plot takes us through the characters, and we have to understand the motivations that drive these characters forward. That is how the characters are presented. And the next one, we'll talk about dialogue. Dialogue is the lifeblood of a play. Without it, we cannot express our ideas much effectively to the audience. And in this, it needs to sound natural. The dialogues have to sound natural, and it has to carry a subtext and create conflict and tension. And we'll later on, we'll explore how playwrights use dialogue to reveal the depths of their characters and move the story forward. And the next one, moving on to the setting, we'll explore the time and place where the drama unfolds. So, the environment where the action takes place, influencing the mood and atmosphere of the play. There is a time and place, and also there is a cultural and historical context. That is a social backdrop affecting characters, and their decisions will also be present in the play, and we can see this in the setting of the play. And themes are the central messages that playwrights want to convey. And themes provide a deeper layer of meaning to the story and how they can resonate universally. So there will be a universal importance to the play, and the central message that is called the theme of the play, as you all know this. And then comes symbolism. Symbolism adds richness to it. Okay, so that adds richness. That is to make a play more rich, or to make it more beautiful, we use symbolism. And objects, actions, metaphors, and allegories are used to convey abstract ideas or moral lessons. So, using symbolic elements to convey abstract ideas or moral lessons. This is what we see while implying the feature symbolism. Okay, next one is tone and mood, and this set the emotional atmosphere of the play. As we watch a theatrical performance, we know the tone and the mood of the play is very much important to the audience, and the author's attitude towards the subject matter, it is reflected in the in his writing style, or his or her writing style. And and we'll analyze how the playwright's attitude is reflected in the tone and overall mood, how it impacts the audience's experience. So the emotional atmosphere created for the audience, it is through language and the setting of the play. And now comes the structure. Okay, structure involves the organization of scenes and acts leading to a climax. And there is importance for suspense and foreshadowing in keeping the audience engaged. Okay, so the scenes and acts, that is the breaking the play into smaller units for pacing and dramatic effect. That is, the whole structure will be divided into different smaller units. And what is a climax? We usually say a climax as the ending of a work, right? But in case of dramas, climax means a turning point where the central conflict reaches its highest intensity. That is, climax will be in the middle portion of the play, that is where the central conflict, it is the in the highest intensity, that is the turning point of the play is called a climax. And now for the next one, we'll have conflict and resolution. That is, every good drama, it thrives on conflict. Okay, without a climax, without a conflict, no good drama will be formed. And then external and internal conflicts will be there. That is the struggles between the characters, or within a character's mind. Also, this internal conflict or conflict, the idea of conflict will be there. And then we'll explore how they contribute to the resolution or lack. Okay, and this conflicts, how they are resolved, that forms the end of the play. And the next one is suspense and foreshadowing. We already talked a bit about this earlier. That is, building tension is very much important in a play for this. And see, keeping the audience engaged, this building tension during the play, or to keep the audience more engaged, we need to build the tension in the play. And this makes the audience more engaged, and they will anticipate of what is going to happen. And the hints of future events will be given, providing clues or indications. Not directly, they'll provide clues or indications of what might happen later in the story. So this suspense and foreshadowing is yet another important component of this drama while writing a drama. Irony, verbal, situational, and dramatic irony is there. We'll discuss about this in detail later. And now, what you have to understand is that irony, verbal irony will be there, situational irony will be there, and dramatic irony is there. And we employ this irony to create humor, tension, or to reveal hidden truths in a drama. And now comes stage directions. That is, the stage directions guide the actors and contribute to the visual and auditory elements of the play. It is like the director's manual for bringing the script to life on stage. So, the guidance on movements, expressions, and interactions to enhance the performance will be there in while giving the instructions for actors. These all come under stage directions, and visual and oral elements will be there. The that is the descriptions for the visual and auditory aspects that contribute to the overall experience. All these will be provided during the stage direction. So these are the main components of drama, or in a theatrical performance. While you write a drama, you'll have to keep this in mind. So let's go through it once again. Just the titles. First one is a plot. It is the most important part of a drama. And then characters, dialogue, setting, theme, symbolism, tone and mood, structure, conflict and resolution, suspense and foreshadowing, irony. In irony itself, there are three: verbal, situational, and dramatic irony. Stage directions will be there. So, these are the major components of a drama, or while writing a drama. I hope you have understood this. So, thank you.